Say, and I don't know that it's necessarily true, that a lot of jurors actually make up their minds after the opening remarks.
The jurors are set, and we are now less than 36 hours from the beginning of Chad Daybell's trial in Boise, Idaho. The trial is one of the most watched cases in the country, and this week all eyes will be on opening arguments.
Yeah, this case comes nearly 1 year after Lori Daybell was found guilty in that very same courthouse. News specialist Debbie Worthen joined us live in the newsroom tonight. And Debbie, Wednesday is a big day for those involved.
Oh, it sure is. It's so important because according to KSL legal analyst Greg Skordas, it's the day some jurors may actually decide how they really feel about Chad Daybell and the crimes he's charged with. Tonight, those 10 men and 8 women go to bed knowing that they will spend what's expected to be the next few months with a man's life in their hands. Chad Daybell faces charges of murdering J.J. Vallow, Tylee Ryan, and his late wife, Tammy Daybell. His trial is expected to last longer than his wife Lori's because he faces the death penalty if found guilty. Now, a jury found Lori guilty back in May. She was sentenced to consecutive life sentences in July.
Anytime you have a trial of this magnitude, the opening statements, the opening day are very important. You've got a jury of 18 people who are going to be sitting there wanting to know from both the state and the defense what they're going to be expected to hear, what they're going to hear, and how the trial is going to unfold.
Now, Chad's trial is expected to take much longer than Lori's, according to Skordas, because it is a capital murder case, which means if convicted, the jury will then decide if he should get the death penalty. Also, Skordas says Lori's team didn't call a single witness to testify, not even Lori herself, believing the state had insufficient evidence to convict. And Skordas says that was an obvious mistake that Chad's lawyers learned from. Mike, back to you.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to compare these two trials as things play out. Debbie, thank you. KSL will have crews up in Boise every day during the trial. We're going to have daily updates right here on KSL TV. We'll also stream the trial live on the KSL Plus app, which is free for your Android and iOS devices.